In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix App Store could not sign in authentication failed on iOS 17. If you're seeing that message when trying to download apps or access your purchases, it usually means your device is having trouble verifying your Apple ID. We'll walk through a clear sequence to get you back in, starting with your connection, then refreshing your network settings, re-authenticating your Apple ID, and finally returning to the App Store. First, let's make sure your internet is solid. Open settings on your iPhone and confirm you're connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. A common cause of this error is a network that looks connected but doesn't actually have internet access. You can quickly confirm by opening Safari and loading a website you don't have cached. If it loads promptly, your connection is good. If not, try toggling Wi-Fi off and on or move closer to your router. Network issues are one of the most frequent triggers for this error, so it's worth double checking before changing anything else. If the error persists, the next step is to reset network settings, which clears out potentially corrupted network caches and configurations. Go back to settings, tap general, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, and choose reset network settings. You may be asked for your device passcode. Keep in mind this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords along with things like VPN configuration, so you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. This reset does not erase your photos, apps, or personal data. It only refreshes your network setup. After the reset completes and your device restarts, reconnect to your preferred Wi-Fi network. Now, let's refresh your Apple ID session. Open Settings again and tap your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Before you do this, make sure you know your Apple ID password, as you will need it to sign back in. Signing out will temporarily disconnect services like iCloud, but your data will sync back after you sign in again. Once you're signed out, immediately sign back in with your Apple ID and complete any verification prompts. Finally, open the App Store, tap your profile icon in the top right, and try signing in again if prompted. Give it a moment to authenticate. In most cases, after completing these steps, the could not sign in authentication failed error on iOS 17 is resolved, and you can resume downloading apps and managing purchases. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.